your son probably had it on and it stretched the seatbelt out. So what they're gonna have to do is they're gonna have to open this and reset it back up. But you see how it's stretched out? Yeah, it's not supposed to be like that. But your son had it on when he crashed, so the seatbelt got stuck, because during the collision it's supposed to do that. But now a mechanic has to get it unstuck. Open this up. To fix all that with the driver like that. Anybody stops you and gives you a problem, they can call the state police. I'll tell them the crash information that I gave you, son. They're gonna understand, all right?